let us continue with our lesson number 17 of economics with the 11th video. Okay, and probably it will be last video related to lesson number 17. Okay, we were discussing about certain steps what government had taken to stop unemployment, or we can tell to reduce unemployment, right? कई स्टेप्स लिए हैं अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बेरोजगारी को ख़त्म करने के लिए, और वी कैन टेल एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ क्रिएट कर रहे हैं इन गवर्नमेंट बाय डूइंग सो मैनी प्रोजेक्ट्स इन रूरल एरियाज so that rural people should remain in their hometown and do the work, right? We were on 7th point on page number 142. Government has opened new areas of employment to plan manpower. Lot of employment opportunity is there in computer technology, information technology, pharmaceutical, business management, packing and processing, outsourcing, marketing, etc. So new curriculum has been set up in the universities fulfilling local requirement. Accordingly, curriculum of education, training and teaching has been changed so that it may fulfill the requirement of job in future. So many jobs, you know, in the newspaper also we see one corner of newspaper, one side of newspaper full of requirements. Now requirements includes so many advertisement related to different fields in which workers are required, right? So people can apply and people can go with earning, right? लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, लोग वो जॉब ले सकते हैं so that उनका अर्निंग शुरू हो जाए अच्छे से. Yes, further, accordingly, curriculum of education, training and teaching has been changed so that it may fulfill the requirement of job in future. See, institution, educational institution में अब only theoretical knowledge spread होना is not left out. Now practically knowledge is given to students. Students को उस तरह से mold किया जाता है so that they should be mentally prepared in which field they have to work and in what way they will work over there to earn good income, right? At the end of acquiring education, short-term diploma or certificate courses has been started to fulfill the need of manpower, like course of spinning, weaving, tanning, plumbing, radio, TV, fridge, mobile, AC, repairing. As a result of revolution means changes in the field of automobile, electronics, computer science, genetic science, then aerospace, robot making. New courses have been started in order to produce skilled artisans. So काफ़ी कुछ बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ क्रिएट की गई हैं, बहुत सारे अलग अलग कोर्सेज क्रिएट किए गए हैं which person can do course for 1 month, 2 month or 3 month duration and can go on with earning and can go on with doing their own business. Okay, like कोई AC रिपेयर करने का अगर कोर्स कर ले या TV रिपेयर या फ्रिज रिपेयर, so first they have to go with course after they finish their higher secondary education, right? And after doing that diploma course, after that they can start with their own business. They can start up with their own shop or own business in which they can go on repairing these particular things, right? Apart from that, they discussed about automobiles, electronic, computers and robot making etc. तो ऐसे तो प्रोजेक्ट्स वगैरह भी स्कूल्स में एक्टिविटीज़ भी करवाई जाती हैं in which students make so many different types of models, right? तो उससे स्टूडेंट्स को भी ये आइडिया होता है कि ओके इन विच वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन, राइट। देन it is tried to provide loan at less rate of interest to the entrepreneur under Startup India for promoting new business. Mutual coordination has become possible because of cooperation between local industries and training institutes, so that as per the local requirement, supply of labor could be made for generating employment, and in place of which collar job self-employment should be fostered with government economic help. See, nowadays training centers are also linked up with certain close industries. Close industries मतलब नज़दीक की industries के साथ ट्रेनिंग सेंटर्स और we can tell call centers भी connected होते हैं, right? If person is not able to find particular job, they can give their resume in those call centers, and call centers will further forward that resume in suitable industry, and then suitable industry will call that person for interview and finally job will be appointed. Okay, so इस तरह से कोई call centers है, कई training centers भी establish किए गए हैं कि और not only training centers की बात करें तो it's not only connected with one industry, no, like near में अगर 3-4 industries है with the same kind of production and machinery, so all 3-4 industries can be connected with one training center in which they train worker and send workers to different industries. Okay, then for this purpose, such an environment and proper and strong structure should be created that educational courses and educational expenses become cheaper and admission become easy. So कई ऐसे steps लेने पड़ते हैं. For example, we can tell scholarships दी जाती है students को, या फिर certain concession दिया जाता है students को, by which students get motivated to join certain courses and to get trained in certain field. Okay, then it is necessary that new business industry should be set up for industrial growth and generating a new employment opportunities. See, we studied in lesson number 16 also, like industry पे government ज़्यादा focus कर रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि एग्रीकल्चर या सर्विस सेक्टर, बिकॉज सर्विस सेक्टर इज कनेक्टेड विद इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर, राइट. तो इंडस्ट्रीज अगर ज़्यादा सेटअप होगी तो लोगों को काम करने की अपॉर्चुनिटी ज़्यादा मिलेगी, राइट. सो गवर्नमेंट इज मेनली फोकसिंग ऑन इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर मोर. देन investment is essential along with different of development of skill, cooperation to increase entrepreneurship among youth. In order to promote opportunities for self-employment, government has started plans for providing the financial help at low rate of interest for small investment for various purposes to purchase. Here spelling mistake is there, E is not written. Purchase implements, small margin, raw material or office furniture initially, along with help of selling produced goods. Efforts have been started to provide technical and commercial knowledge, managerial skill, help with the effort of bank, economic help to financial institutes, economical easy loan facility, local business and welfare organization. Women have been provided self-employment by setting up household industries. Thus, coming out of traditional business, a new form of members of family was prepared, which expanded the horizon of new business and industrial sector. Now, these all are steps given in what way government is creating employment opportunities. government, like we studied in lesson number 16, government had started with certain policies, liberalization, जो इंडस्ट्री सेटअप करने के लिए बहुत इजी वे क्रिएट करता है, प्राइवेटाइजेशन, जो प्राइवेट इंडस्ट्री को गवर्नमेंट इंडस्ट्री के साथ लिंक अप करने की कोशिश करता है, ग्लोबलाइजेशन, दैट अगर हम इंडस्ट्री सेटअप करते हैं तो वी कैन वर्क विद अदर कंट्री एज वेल, राइट। सो इस पॉलिसी के अकॉर्डिंग अगर हम देखें तो इट बिकम वेरी इजी टू सेटअप इंडस्ट्रीज and government provide loan easily if all required documents are fulfilled. So government easily provide loan to person who wants to set up industry, either big unit of industry or at a small scale. Okay, so government in any way, government tries to help people so that people can go on earning. Okay, ninth point, employment exchange center work as a chain between unemployed and owners who were in search of such youth who were looking for employment, laborers, workers or educated skills and unskilled laborers. This organization provides authentic information regarding registration of educated unemployed, this place and the type of work. It gives guidance by choosing one's own career. These centers provide sufficient information through magazines like Rozgar Karkidi. Then it provides free services through Model Career Center and helpline number, helps people by providing them important information, skill program, employment fair, etc. Till 2015, there were 947 employment exchange centers in our country, in which till 2013, 468.23 lakh unemployed had registered all over the country, while in Gujarat, 8.30 lakh unemployed had registered their names. So कई नेम्स, कई इंस्टीट्यूट्स ओपन हुए हैं जो वर्क स्टार्ट करने के लिए, वी कैन टेल वर्क के लिए कंपनीज को 2 minutes, ओके, कंपनीज को दे गिव वर्कर्स, दे गिव इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट अनएम्प्लॉयड पीपल। ओके, अनएम्प्लॉयड पीपल को वो इस तरह से उनका डेटा कंपनीज में सेंड करते हैं, बाय विच कंपनीज कम टू नो अबाउट पीपल दोज हु आर इंटरेस्टेड टू वर्क एंड कंपनी कैन हायर देम। ओके, सो अनएम्प्लॉयड पीपल को भी कंपनीज के बारे में नॉलेज हो, उनके लिए मैगजीन्स वगैरह भी पब्लिश किए गए, बाय विच unemployed people can give their resume to such kind of employment exchange centers. Okay, that was regarding steps taken to create employment opportunity. Now the last topic of this lesson is world labor market. See, labor, workers, world पूरी दुनिया, and market मतलब market obviously बाजार. Okay, like workers जो है आजकल it is not remained up to one particular place. Now the business, due to globalization, people expand their business and they send their workers to different countries to work, and workers also get good opportunity to show their skill, to show their capability in other countries. Okay, if worker is too much experienced and very trustworthy, owner can send those workers along with their family to other country to settle there and to take care of his branch, right? Let us read it. When change of labors is there among nations of the world, it is called world labor market. जब पूरी दुनिया में वर्कर्स को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह भेजा जाता है, उसको बोलते हैं वर्ल्ड लेबर मार्केट। When laborers migrate from one country to another for employment, business, training or higher education. It is called the movement of labor at international level. Walk out of brain power for educational knowledge, higher technical knowledge and skill development in search of more income, more facility, better job is brain drain or migration to the international level. Brain drain मतलब क्या? See, brain drain means people one type, like it is like people think instead of working in a particular one country, if we go to some developed country, like this is like developing country में काम करने से अच्छा, if we have capability to work in developed country, why we should not go there? Okay, we should move there so that we will get good work opportunity over there and we will definitely get good income over there. ओके, सो ब्रेन ड्रेन वही होता है कि मतलब अलग जगह पर खींचा चला जाता है पर्सन, जहाँ पर जाकर वो अपना कैपेबिलिटी शो कर सके, राइट. सो आजकल तो स्टूडेंट्स भी आफ्टर पासिंग देयर 12th दे गो आउट डूइंग IELTS एंड दे स्टार्ट मूविंग टू अब्रॉड फॉर देयर फॉरेन स्टडीज. आफ्टर दे फिनिश देयर स्टडीज दे ट्राई टू सेटल ओवर देयर ओनली, राइट. देन because of increasing social status, recently country-wise mobility of labor become popular in the noteworthy manner. As a result of migration to other countries or due to permanent settlement of intelligent and talented people who have spent lot of money on them, facing a great flow of personalities having talent and intelligence, technical knowledge and scientific attitude. See, that is what, if one is highly qualified, if one has spent a lot of money to get good qualification, then why to work in developing country? Why not work in developed country? Because developed country can give more amount of salaries and more amount of wages. So people have such kind of brain drain also, and people move towards other countries and settle there. Okay, a result of globalization and liberalization, a new situation has started arising in our economy. That is because of result of globalization and liberalization. ये दो स्टेप्स जो इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी में लिए गए हैं, उसके लिए भी हमारी इकोनॉमी में काफ़ी चेंजेस देखने को मिले हैं. देन in the present time, demand for people having knowledge and skill in information technology, communication technology, biotechnology, computer or medical has increased. Many countries are appointing such people who have special qualification and skill as trained expert laborers and experts. They adopt attractive tactics and practices with high perk. See, tactic मतलब सिस्टम, वो इस तरह का सिस्टम अडॉप्ट करते हैं कि हाईली क्वालिफाइड एंड स्किल्ड पीपल should go in their country only. ओके, एंड वो उनको लाइक अदर कंट्रीज एक्सपर्ट्स को हमेशा अट्रैक्ट करते हैं बाय गिविंग देम जॉब ऑफर्स एंड ऑल. देन industrial firms send their employees to foreign countries to obtain required qualification, knowledge and skill so that they may survive in the competition. See, कई इंडस्ट्रीज ही हैं जो अपने वर्कर्स को ट्रेनिंग के लिए भी अलग अलग कंट्रीज में भेजते हैं सो दैट वो अलग से अच्छे से मतलब कंपटीशन में सरवाइव करने के लिए ट्रेंड हो जाए. ओके, दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ इंटरनेशनल माइग्रेशन. Like country receives foreign exchange as a part of income due to migration of people to foreign country for job. Because of the flow of foreign money into our country. In this way, problem of foreign exchange is solved in certain extent. So like अब हमारी इस इंडिया की कोई भी कंपनी अगर बाहर फॉरेन की कंपनी के साथ डील करते हैं तो उनकी जो मनी की ट्रांजैक्शन होगी वो फॉरेन करेंसी में होगी, जिससे क्या होगा कि फॉरेन एक्सचेंज का जो प्रॉब्लम है वो भी इंडिया में सॉर्ट आउट होगा एंड इंडिया विल अर्न गुड इनकम. ओके, so this was world labor market and finally this was your lesson number 17. So I request please go through all the videos as you have test of lesson number 17 on 14th July. Okay, please go through all the videos because you will be getting 30 MCQs. You will be getting 30 MCQs related to this lesson which you have to attempt in online test. Thank you.